Okay, now we move to forward. Science. Number 1 is what?
We get different type of rock from nature. B. Which of these property of rocks is a texture? What type of rock is described as shiny and rough? Is granite. What type of rock is described as smooth and dull? Is a limestone. Okay. Sandstone is
It's okay. Next continue.
Oh.
Matching the words.
Yeah. Sandstone is a soft rock made of sand. Shiny is a bright and sparkling. Rough is not smooth, not catching the light. And then rock have different sizes, shapes, and smooth. So colors, I mean, B colors. Rocks have different sizes, shapes, and colors.
Rough.
Number 1 is rock. Number 1 is colors. The property of marble is shiny and smooth. The rock that is small and smooth is called pebble. A smooth and dull rock is called limestone.
Limestone.
Yes.
Okay, matematika.
Miss
Julie.
Oke, buah apel lebih dari buah jeruk. Buah apel lebih berat dari buah jeruk. Selanjutnya buah anggur lebih ringan dari buah labu. Buah semangka lebih berat dari buah alpukat. Riu menimbang buah mangga dan manggis. Buah mangga sama dengan 8 kelereng dan berat manggis sama dengan 7 kelereng. Jadi berat manggis lebih ringan dari berat mangga.
Oke, kita coba Miss. Coba jelaskan tentang ini. Bagaimana mereka menjawabnya?
Oke, nah untuk pelajaran ini sebenarnya kita sudah mempelajari tentang mengukur. Di sini kita mengukur berat suatu benda dengan satuan tak baku. Jadi yang kita gunakan adalah timbangan manual dan di sini kita membandingkan dua benda. Nah, jika dari timbangan tersebut jika benda dari timbangan tersebut turun ke bawah, berarti benda tersebut lebih berat. Kalau dia naik ke atas berarti lebih ringan. Atau yang kedua, jika timbangan tersebut menuju ke suatu benda, berarti benda tersebutlah yang lebih berat. Gitu.
Oke, jadi nanti bisa akan bawa apa sebagai contohnya di?
Oke, kalau ini kita sudah melakukannya kemarin. Ini kan pelajaran ini udah terakhir untuk asesmen. Untuk minggu depan itu asesmen. Jadi untuk praktek ini kita sudah lakukan kemarin menggunakan hanger. Jadi ada hanger, kita jadikan sebuah timbangan, lalu dengan 2 buah plastik, di mana dalam 2 buah plastik itu kita letakkan satu berisi benda yang mau ditimbang, satu lagi adalah anak timbangannya berupa batu kecil atau kelereng. Jadi kita akan misalnya kita mau menimbang berat sebuah remote, right? Jadi satu plastik dimasukkan ke dalam remote, satu plastik lagi kita masukkan anak timbangan. Jadi kita akan masukkan anak timbangannya tadi misalnya berupa kelereng. Kelereng tersebut jumlahnya harus sama dengan beratnya si remote tadi. Misalnya kelereng tadi akan sama beratnya dengan si remote itu kira-kira 10 kelereng. Jadi kita bisa bilang kalau berat remote sama dengan 10 kelereng. Karena kelas 2 masih mempelajari tentang mengukur berat benda yang tak baku.
Ini gimana misalnya?
Oke, Delvin bermain ke rumah Arsya pukul 10, ia pulang pukul 12, Ellen belajar bahasa Inggris pukul 10, dan dia selesai pukul 11. Jadi waktu Delvin ke rumah Arsya, nah dari sini siswa juga sudah diajarkan untuk membaca jam, tapi hanya difokuskan untuk jam yang tepat, maksudnya yang jam yang yang pas. Misalnya jam 12 pas berarti jarum belum
tepatnya di situ aja.
11
Iya, 11 tepat. Iya, jam 11 pas gitu.
Nah, juga belajar membandingkan yang lebih lama dan lebih
Yes.
sebentar. Jadi di sini Arsya ke rumah Delvin pukul 20 dan pulang pukul 12. Nah, nanti siswa akan menghitung berapa lama si Arsya pulang dimulai dari jam 10 ke jam 12. Jadi 10, 11, 12. Berarti mereka bilang itu 2 jam. Lalu si Ellen belajar bahasa Inggris dari jam 10 sampai 11. Dihitunglah lagi. Berarti dari 10, 11, 12. Berarti 2 jam. Nah, waktu Delvin ke rumah Arsya berarti lebih lama daripada Ellen belajar bahasa Inggris. Nah, di situ juga nanti kita akan minggu depan juga akan ada kelas project untuk pelajaran matematika. Jadi dari
Proyeknya buat apa?
nanti kita akan ada 2 project. Jadi pertama nanti mereka akan belajar untuk mengenal waktu. Nanti saya akan
Terus gambar gitu.
enggak. Jadi ada sebuah medianya yaitu jam dinding. Jadi nanti siswa akan saya berikan kertas itu ada jam. Misalnya jam 10. Jadi siswa akan menyetel jarum panjang, jarum pendek sesuai dengan instruksi saya gitu. Jadi misalnya jarum panjang berarti menunjukkan menit, jarum pendek menunjukkan jam. Misalnya jam 10 berarti mereka buat
Nanti nggak ada.
belum.
Masih
Belajar tentang jarum panjang apa, jarum pendek apa, jam analog apa, jam digital apa gitu, membandingkan waktu lebih lama sama lebih sebentar sama berat tadi kan, yang lebih ringan sama lebih berat, iya seperti itu.
Okay, we have location. Okay, this one is Susan.
Container for throwing away used paper is was the paper basket. And then B, a list of scheduled tasks to responsible with is that's duty roster. An activity to take care of classroom is cleaning classroom. A large white surface in the front of class to write the drawing is a whiteboard.
Okay, so what is the topic actually for next week?
About cleaning our classroom. Students will learn how they take care of their classroom, keep clean, and then avoid to look messy and everything. So they have to take care of their class always all the time clean and also look tidy. But in this case, they have to work in team. Yeah. That's why I call them picketing time.
English. Topik English.
Susan.
English, okay. According to the picture, blank in the big swimming pool is fun. It's swimming because in this chapter, this unit, we focus on the verb form ing as a noun, beginning of sentence, as also as a subject. So student will learn the forming of the verb. Basic will become verb ing, but as a noun in here. So the answer is a B, swimming. And
so what's the relationship between number 1 and 2? Number 2, I see here about sports.
Yes, it is a kind of sport. Here
so there are 2 topics.
Yes.
The first is about
The language focus is about verb ing.
Yes.
But the vocabulary they learn about the kinds of sports.
Name of sports.
Kind of sport.
Yeah.
Disciplines.
Yeah, lots of sports to play. It's a hockey.
This one?
It's a field hockey. Let's play today. Student will learn about kinds of sports, not only swimming, basketball or soccer. They will know about field hockey, ping pong.
How many sports will you explain?
I think
Will you introduce?
10.
10. Yes. Basketball, soccer, ping pong, hockey, swimming, and then badminton, and then gymnastic, and also what is that? Table tennis already. Volleyball and then also running, and then also
The last
the last is about
Safari.
softball.
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 But this next Christmas.
A large open area for playing sport is a field. A place, a place for running is a track. A group people shares the same interest is a club. A physical activity that are played for fun or competition is a sports.
Okay. Okay, so this one is, can you please count Miss Judy? Wait, I use the practice. But I will make it small. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, number one, Joe wants to take 3 slices of pizza. What fraction of the pizza does he take? From the picture, we know that
Wait.
from you. Okay, what fraction of the pizza does he what is okay?
Six. Does he six?
Does he have this?
We have
Yeah.
yes in
Okay, so the answer,
original have.
Okay.
so the answer is 3/4. Students will, yeah, 3/4. The answer is C. They see that this is 1 to 3 slices of pizza from 4 parts. So the answer is 3/4. Can I ask Miss continue? Number 2, Hannah shares 12 cookies. She eats quarter of them. How many does she eat? Okay, so I make the way, Miss. So here, students will make the groups. They not only make the group, they can also make the divisions. But I give them choice, which one is better for them, which one is easier for them. So if they want to group it, if they want to group it, so because it's a quarter, so they have to group it into 4. And after that, there are 12 cookies here, so they have to put each cookies for each part equally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after that, they know that each group has 3 cookies. So 12. So a quarter of 12. The answer is 3. This is A. So if you want to make division, they can do it by divided. So 12 cookies can be divided by 4. What is the in here? So for example, this, if you want to divide it, so 12 cookies divided by 4. So the answer is, they can find by using multiplication. So 4 times how many to get 12? So the answer is 3.
Okay, next is number 3.
Number 3, this is Rob wants to take half of pizza. How many slices of pizza should to take the pan? So there are 2 parts. I will show a picture, draw picture 2. Okay, so one whole pizza and then I divide become 2. So this is 1 and 2. So it means the pizza he will take is a half, because one pizza, whole pizza like this, split like this, become this.
Yes.
If I split like this, become a half one. before a whole part like this, and then I split become two, it's called a half.
The answer is
1/2. This one is an 8.
number 4, Miss Susan.
Number 4 is how can you find 3 of quarters and half in division? It means when you divide something into halves, you are splitting into 2 parts, equal parts. But quarters you can divide and split it into 4 equal parts. So here are the differences, Miss. This is part of half. A whole part I split become 2 parts. So if this one become a half part, split into 2 parts, equal parts. But this one, if it's one whole part, I split become 4
It's not
equal
same.
parts.
It's okay. Imagine that they are same, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Equals.
And then this one part
Why
become
same?
4. Terbalik. Wait. Wait.
You raise it.
You already have. You
Below.
have. And then make the ini again.
Like this part. So this one split into 4 parts, equal parts is 1/4 quarters.
So the answer is
The answer is B.
B.
Yes.
Okay.
What is it?
Tell me, Susan.
A flat round food made from batter is pancakes. Part of a rule number is a fraction.
Fractions.
Yes. To find answer to a problem is a solve. A sentence that declares something is a statement.
Okay, Miss Julia. This one.
Okay.
There are 28 flowers in the garden. Quarter were blue. This right?
We're
Yes.
blue.
How many were other blue flowers? The way.
Okay, there are
How
two
many
ways.
is total?
What? Beg your pardon? Okay, there are two ways. The first, they can make division. Check this.
That's why I couldn't make it bigger. It's not functioning.
Okay, the first they can make division. So there are 28 flowers. So 28 divided by 4. So the answer is 7. Okay, and after that they can make the groups. They have to group into 4 equal. I make the group is. So I group it into 4 equal parts.
Oh,
And after
based
that,
on that one.
yes. So for each part there will be 7, 7, 7, 7. Like this. So the answer is 7. Number 2, Jo has 10 piece in her purse and then she spends half on sweet. So how much does she have left? So in this part, okay, this 12 piece. So can you make it on this? Scroll this. So here 20.
This one.
Yeah. No. 20. Oh my God. So 20 piece and then divided by, we need, because this spans half, so we divide by 2. The answer is 10, like this. Number 3, Sam had 16 pencils and she gave quarter pencils to Jack. How many pencils does Sam have left? Because the instruction here, we need to divide it, so we need to divide it. So 16 divided by 4, the answer is 4.
Miss Susan, jawab. Apa nih jawab? Waste paper, Miss Susan.
Waste paper.
Waste paper basket.
Basket.
Waste paper basket.
A place where we put through paper after used.
Explain.
Oh yeah, explanation. um,
You are so far from me.
the graded explanation is if the students don't use any the paper, they can throw the waste they can throw the paper use in the waste paper basket.
Cleaning classroom.
It's the activity to clean the rooms, so students can take part to clean their rooms by following the JUGE roster. So the JUGE roster is used for students to responsible to their class, so that they know that when the times they should clean their class.
Track.
Track an area uh, an area uh, to run an area to run. This track is used for running area track to know the
You
student.
just repeat again. Okay. I need the explanation, your additional explanation.
Additional explanation. We can use track as the lab for running a competition.
Club.
Me. Club is a group of people who have the same interests. So the club can be a club of students that love basketball. So they are consist of the students that have the same interest. So they prepare to use football. So they can do the activities based on their interest. So when they are many students that interest to something, so we say that this is a club.
Okay. Boulder.
Boulder is a kind of a rocks, uh, rough, rough. It's kind of rock and rough.
Boulder.
Yes, it's kind of boulder is kind of rough, little bit rough. It's usually is found in the river banks and mountains. You can get from the nature. It is source from the nature.
Okay. Next pebble.
Pebble is pebble, the smooth rock. So pebbles are mostly small and then smooth, and it is easy to lift because they are not so big like boulders. So you can find it in natures. It's like in rivers. You can find it in the river bands like this. So pebble is smaller than boulders because boulder is a huge rocks.
Granite.
Granite is a rough, a kind of it's a type of rock. It's a rough and the size is big. It's usually used for building and a kitchen set on the wall. It's in the nature. We can find this granite near riverbeds and also uh, riverbeds and mountain
Mountain.
riverbed
Riverbed.
riverbed.
Okay. Limestone, Miss. Limestone, Miss Julia.
Miss Julia, limestone rocks type of rock that made of cells. So limestone is type of rock that made of cells, or you can say from the properties they are smooth and rough, and then they are found because they made of cells, so we can find it in under the waters, like from the sea, because and it also can be crushed and can be made for cement. So we can use the limestone for build something or for building.
Sandstone.
Sandstone is a kind of rock. It's a smooth and small size. Usually can be found in a beach at the beach or a riverbank.
What is made of? What is it made of?
Not made of. I mean, can be found.
No, you put here made of.
Most is made of a sand.
So it is often used in.
Over is in um, building and house like that.
Are they? Do they have colors?
Yes, they have colors.
What colors?
It's like a blue,
Blue.
red,
You don't put blue here.
red,
Red.
yellow, white, like that.
White.
White and even gray.
You mean they are colorful?
Yes.
Marbles.
Marble is marble, granite, marble. They are smooth, and then type of rock that is smooth and shiny, and then marbles can be used for especially for sculptures. So it is mostly used for art. So marbles can be used for art. So because they are smooth and shiny, so it's better use like to make can be used for making a buildings looks nice to see. So for example, like Taj Mahal, we use marbles for Taj Mahal. So mostly Taj Mahal are made of marbles because it's shiny and smooth.
I think that's all for the evaluation today, Miss. Yeah. For Julia, you pass also with Miss Susan, but for Miss Susan, please don't repeat the same explanation that I asked you to explain something.
Okay.
Because you have two parts, right? Like graded definition and then additional
Yes.
explanation. So if I ask you to explain more, it means that you need to review up, right? Your explanation. And then for the science also, your explanation isn't same about that one, boulder. It wasn't same with the definition here that you have put. Yeah, both of you passed. Miss Julia passed with good result, but Miss Susan with enough result. So if you know what is mean, right? It means that for the good result, you will get reward. For enough, you will not get reward. Okay, I think that's all. Both of you passed. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.